congratulations, Cap. So two different formats, two wins. Just your feeling, I guess, on the ODI series as a whole, and then of course just your thoughts on today's game.
Well, I feel happy about how things went. Winning two series at home, it's quite special. But what I'm going to say is we haven't done this for the changing room, but we've done it for the fans who are out there and who are making an effort to come and watch us play.
So you were not there today, but obviously today the analysis of the game, a couple of dropped catches, probably disappointing in that. Do you still think that 200 was still defendable?
Yeah, it was quite defendable, of course, but remember also no one wants to drop a catch on any particular day. But of course we walked out of that field having put the effort we wanted to put, and of course having the guys who walked out there to do the job. We were still begging them to defend that 200, but it didn't go away, which is how cricket is. You win some, you lose some.
Bernard Evans, named player of the series. How important has been his development with the bat, just to complement his bowling as well?
Well, there's been a lot of massages in the coaching staff with them using the side of there, having to throw at Brad, not only Brad, but everyone else. And on that note, also I have to commend Stuart Tsiginyeri, the low order batting coach, for the input he's always putting into us as the low order batters. And I'm quite happy that the results are showing out there.
With T20s just around the corner, just coming up, what are some of the learnings or key takeaways you take from the games you've played so far going into the T20s?
Well, for me, it's the mindset and mentality of how guys are turning up and wanting to change a game regardless of the situation we're in. So, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright, there's some would say like this perception that Zimbabwe is not really a side that were put into to bat first, that we couldn't really defend usually. But I think those first two ODIs, such a massive performance, especially defending a low score. Just what sort of lessons did you pick up from that, and maybe that perception, is there any credence to it, or do you feel that you might have dispelled it with this series performance?
Well, on that note, I have to thank the Almighty God, and of course I don't even know how some of these things work out because He knows better. But of course, people out there are going to talk, and they're going to say whatever they want to say about us not being able to bat first or bat second. But it's a cricketing game. On any particular game, if we back up preparation and how we've done throughout the preparation process,